Now at 6, no bond for the man accused of helping plot the murder of Florida State professor Dan Markel. Today, a judge denied the request to release his former brother-in-law, Charlie Adelson, from jail. Thank you for joining us for the news at 6. I'm Ava Van Valen. Adelson is charged with first-degree murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and solicitation of murder in Markel's 2014 shooting death. ABC 27's Jada Williams is live at the Leon County Courthouse tonight, where his case went before a judge. And Jada, what led to the judge's decision against bail?
Ava, because of state law, certain charges such as first-degree murder, which Charlie Adelson is facing, means that he cannot get bond in that first appearance hearing. But Charlie Adelson's attorneys are working to change that. From inside the Leon County Detention Facility, Charlie Adelson made his first appearance before a Leon County judge Tuesday. Adelson was arrested April 21st in South Florida. Among his charges, first-degree murder in the death of his former brother-in-law, Dan Markel. Prosecutors say Adelson hired his girlfriend at the time, Catherine McBanois, her ex-boyfriend, Sigfredo Garcia, and his best friend, Luis Rivera, to kill the Florida State law professor. While his team hoped to bond him out, that didn't happen due to his first-degree murder charge, a decision that his attorney, Margot Moss, says they'll fight.
We will be filing a motion for Arthur hearing shortly. We understand that the charges that he has now are no bondable offenses, but we will be filing to rectify that.
Criminal defense attorney Don Pomfrey says an Arthur hearing is requested when someone is charged with an offense that comes with an automatic no bond.
But the presumption is that a person's presumed innocent until proven guilty. And so in the Arthur hearing under our statutory scheme, there are just certain cases where the person has to petition and there has to be a hearing for the judge to hear the evidence. And basically the state's going to put on their evidence to show that the proof is evident and the presumption is correct.
Prosecutors say this undercover FBI recording of Adelson and Catherine McBanois discussing what to do if a cop approaches them is the proof that Adelson was involved in Markel's murder. It's the video that a grand jury also reviewed before moving to indict him. Catherine McBanois's defense team filed a motion to dismiss that video from her upcoming retrial in Markel's murder after a hung jury in her 2019 trial. The defense says the video shouldn't be used because it doesn't show the full conversation and some parts are still hard to hear. In a portion of the recording, transcription of the conversation shows that Adelson says, quote, "Listen, you didn't do anything. I didn't do anything." His attorneys argue that line and other lines in the tape prove their client is innocent. Adelson's attorneys have not yet filed that motion for an Arthur hearing. Reporting live from outside of the Leon County Courthouse, Jada Williams, ABC 27.